What happened there, Forrest? Yeah, they piled that up. What do you want to do? Just turn around here? I'll spin around too. I'll see you over there in 1 second here. We'll go this way though. We'll take you guys through the same spot he just went through once and just see what we got. Spin it around for you guys. It's not deep here. Although I say that, sometimes looks can be deceiving. Very deceiving. I'm lathered up in my permethrin. If you guys don't know what that is, it's an insect repellent, but it's mainly designed for ticks, but it works for mosquitoes and stuff. And it's got amazing reviews. Check it out on YouTube. See what permethrin does to ticks. I treat all my clothes with it whenever I go riding. I buy it right at your local Walmart. It's not expensive either. It's well worth it. So we ride in the bush a lot. And we do have ticks here where I live. Deer tick, wood ticks, all that. So it's good to be prepared than to not have it. Got the tractor. These new bars feel great, guys. So I got my new bars on. You guys will be surprised to know they're Tusk T10 Adventure bars. So they're Tusk bars. I tell you what, I've used quite a lot of Tusk stuff, and I've never had a problem with Tusk items. I decided to check these bars out just to see how they are, and this is my first official ride with them. And they're phenomenal. And this tire is awesome. This tire is just awesome, guys. If you're looking at getting the Tusk Dualsport Adventure tire, I mean, look at this shit that I'm ripping it in right now. Camera's not going to do it any justice, guys, but this shit is like soup. It's really, really slick. Could be going quicker, but I won't be able to talk to you guys. I'd be focusing more on that. Ooh, you can see, hit a root or a tree or something there. But tire's working great. It's working really good. I'm gonna go this way though. Why not? Why not, guys? This is a slick hill here. It's slick at the base. Oh, right up it. I've usually got to sit there and pin it and to get up that. I climbed right up and it's super muddy today. And still climbed right up it. This tire is bomb. See the mud we're in today, guys. I'm gonna ride up that to see how it feels. Look at that mud. It's doing good though. This tire is doing awesome. Nice and chunky. Now look, you guys can see T up there. Huh? That's the hill I was talking about. Showed you guys numerous videos. It's a big hill, man. What do you guys think about my seat? That was the first like 10 minutes on the trail. Got the new bars on, as you can see. It's the new grips. It's amazing. Feels great. Make sure we're in first gear, guys, boys and girls. I think he went a different route than he went before. I got you. I'll go right where you are, brother. It's pretty straight. No problem. Right on up it, guys. Whoa, I'm slipping. My foot. I got no foot traction. There we go. I'm good. I'll have to come back up it. I really got to hit right there is the best spot. That was me entirely though down here what caused me to slide. Hey, right here. Even better. Oh, he went up a different side. I saw that, dude. Yeah, dude, when I saw you, first thing that popped in my head is he just did exactly what I did when I hit that rut. Slid right into the front end. You alright, dude? Yeah. Take a breather for a minute. Look at this shit, guys.
Look at that.
Look at this. You're alright, that's all that matters. Alright, let's get this puppy out.
Like I said you earlier in the mud, you gotta get it out of that hole.
She's coming. There we go. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
That was a hard hit.
This tire feels great, guys. Feels absolutely fantastic. I said it earlier, but I'll say it again. If you guys are thinking of getting the Tusk D Sport, pick it up while it's in stock right now, because I waited a while for it to come back in stock. Also, if you guys don't have them, get yourself some bead locks. Get yourself some bead locks so you can run a much lower tire pressure. And you don't have to worry about spinning the valve stem off your tire. But yeah, get yourself some rim locks, man. Get yourself some rim locks. Nice hard tire like this D Sport. If you ride in conditions like I do, it feels great. You don't have to worry about really with pinch flats with a hard tire like this, unless you're really running single digits PSI. You know, you don't really have any problems. 16 PSI is still kind of high. That's what I'm running right now. That's still kind of high. You know, that's really high. And it's hooking amazing right now. It's hooking really well. So, you know, you guys, we're just gonna go right through, come this way, my fiddle ferns. Get up this hill with no, no momentum at all. Right up it, man. It's nothing. This is some pretty loose dirt right here too. Ow. That actually hurt. It whipped me. Did I go the wrong way?
Yeah, I was wondering, I'm like, where did you go?
I went the wrong way, dude. Let's turn around. No momentum again, but right up it. But no momentum. He went this way. Fresh tire track. Huh. hit the skid plate really hard there. I didn't hop the log the way I wanted to. So. I was trying not to spray you. That's why I didn't want to bomb it. But dude, it climbed right up it. Yeah, no problem. I gotta tell you though, dude, I really don't ever remember that tree being there. So what do you guys think? This is what the pit looks like now. Huh. This is the reason why they put straw down like that. I know why they do it with grass seed and everything. Why do they put straw down on dirt? Any of you guys know?